Hey lovelies, welcome back to yet another video. Today we are grilling tilapia. It's one of the easiest fish that you can ever cook. This fish takes less than 15 minutes to cook and it's easy, it's simple. Before we get started, please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment for me. Okay, so let's get started. So I have here 2 medium-sized tilapia that I've carefully washed and taken off the scales. Actually, they took off the scales for me in the market. I'm just going to make sure to tap it dry to make sure that everything is dried. And before I add my seasoning, I'm just going to create marks on my fish. This will allow the seasoning to really enter your fish to make it juicy and nice. I'm just going to do same on each tilapia, on the side of the tilapia, like I said. So after doing that, I'm just going to go in with my crayfish seasoning and a little bit of salt actually that I have mixed together. I'm just going to rub it all over my tilapia. Now you can totally use kitchen brush or even baking brush to do this, but I want to have coverage over it. I want to make sure that every part of my tilapia is well seasoning. So using my hand, actually my hands are clean, using my hand to do it gives me a lot of coverage, but you need to make sure that you are careful because bones need to be prickle. So make sure that you cover it well, and I'm just going to leave it to rest for about 10 minutes. And whilst that is happening, I'm just going to work on my vegetables. Now this is what I'm using. I have some scotch green pepper, scotch red pepper, a slice of green pepper, and 1 small onion. I'm just going to chop this up and put it in my blender, add a little bit of water and blend this. So after blending, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil into my frying pan, and then I'm going to pour my blended vegetables into this. We are just going to cook it and get the rawness out of our vegetables. This will make your sauce extra flavorful. It's going to take your sauce to the next level. So while that is happening, I'm just going to leave it for it to cook for some few minutes, and then after that I'll just go in with my crayfish seasoning and just a little bit of salt to taste, and I'm just going to stir it and leave it to cook for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Now you know your sauce is done when you see oil coming around it, and that's about it. So you're just going to leave it for it to cool down, and then you're going to rub it all over your tilapia. Like I said earlier, whilst rubbing your sauce on it, you need to be careful not to be pricked by the bone of the tilapia. Make sure that every crook and corner of a tilapia is well seasoned with the sauce. Like the opening of the tilapia, make sure that you add a lot of sauce to it to make sure that it's well seasoned. Now I'm just going ahead to put in some extra vegetables that were left behind into the opening of the tilapia. I don't know the right time for that thing, but that space where you take off the intestines and the thing, I'm just going to put in that extra vegetables there, and then I'm going to put this in my baking tray. This will go into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Like, it cooks really fast, so you want to make sure that you check on it. And after some 10 minutes, my tilapia was ready to be enjoyed. Now just look at that, like, it came out beautiful. So I'm just going to garnish it with some chopped onions, tomato and green pepper, and your tilapia is ready to be enjoyed with your bangkong, eba, or even as it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed having this tilapia with my bangkong. I'm just going to show you a picture of it at the end of the video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, okay? And you can also know recipes. Now share the recipe with your friend. Okay, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you all so much. God bless you. Have a great weekend, a great day, a great night, whatever it is. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.